Hey folks, thanks for clicking on the video. So I just completed a 7-day carnivore challenge where all I did was eat meat and drink water. And here are the results. And I was really surprised with these results. So when I started the challenge, I was weighing 252 pounds, all muscles, right? And my goal was to lose somewhere between 3 to 5 pounds, simply because, I did another water fast challenge for 7 days where that's kind of what I lost when I did that challenge. And so I'm thinking this is kind of sort of similar, although I get to eat meat during this challenge. So I'm hoping to lose at least 3 to 5 pounds. Now, another metric that I follow that I measure is my blood sugar levels. So I'm looking to try to get down to 70 to 80. And currently, my blood sugar level is at 115. Now, I probably won't get all the way down there during this 7 days, but it will give me some hope if that number started to dwindle down. So, those are my goals. Those are where I started. Let's see where they ended. So, the hardest thing with this carnivore diet, carnivore challenge, that is eating just meat, was restraining from all those sweet comfort foods like breads, rice, salad, and drinking something other than just water. Although cutting out all that sugar, I'm sure it's good for me. And what I learned was that I don't need to eat 3 meals a day. I usually eat a breakfast, a lunch, and a dinner. Then when I started this challenge, I thought I was just going to eat 2 meals a day, one midday and then one end a day. And so what I found out that midday meal, that was pretty filling eating that meat. And it was keeping me full so that right around the dinner hour, I was still full. I didn't need anything else. Sometimes I needed just something little, but I went from eating 3 meals a day down to eating 2 meals. And then I started just eating one meal. I would eat a meal right around 3 o'clock, and that would fill me up and hold me throughout the rest of the evening. Now, it wasn't difficult as I thought it would be, but as many of the carnivore dieters have said to me, it's more of a lifestyle change than anything. So I don't see any obstacles preventing me from going full time carnivore in 2026, and that's my goal. And this week was just kind of a test to kind of see how I would do. Now, for my results, let's talk about those. So for the last 7 days, so I started off at 252 pounds and I lost, or I went down to 243. So I lost 9 pounds. And that was more than the water fast challenge that I did. I did that water fast challenge and it was only 3 to 5. Um, and then this was 9 pounds, and that was good. We're very happy with those results. I was surprised because I ate something every day, sometimes 2 meals. Now, my blood sugar, well, I started off at 115 and I ended at 115. So it stayed the same. It didn't go anywhere, or it didn't go any higher either. So I guess I could be glad about that. Maybe I need longer than 7 days to kind of edge that downwards. I don't know. But here's what I'm thinking. So for the next 7 days, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 7 day alternate challenge. Carnivore one day, and I'm going to do a water fast the next day. Let me see how that's going to work out. Again, I'm working towards my 2026 new lifestyle change where I'm going to go carnivore food time and see how long I can do that. This is Chandler's Retirement Live saying, hey, you know what? If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Follow me on this journey. Follow me on this retirement journey. And you guys be safe out there. Lights out.